What up, YouTube? Back with another video. I'm gonna be playing Hoodie Escape 2 on Roblox. When I did a video, I never did a video on Roblox, but today I'm going to do something new. So, if you have Roblox, go ahead and add Savage 62. Yeah, let's get started. I don't have YouTube number one. And this game is kind of fun. Escape these bugs. But if you bring me up, then they might take it down. Fake fuck with me back then, but it's getting hard for you to fake it now. Before the match starts. Being rich when I'm 40, man, I'm trying to make it now. Start now. Let me survive in underwater for a little bit longer. Ooh. I'm supposed to get up there. Oh, I see the rocks. Oh, I almost died, huh? Oh no. The water is flowing now. Coming. Ooh, come on. Else I didn't die. I have to keep going. I am left behind. Oh, this little skinny thing, please. Oh, it's acid. You can die faster with acid. You know, when it's lava, you die automatically when you fall in the water. I mean, in the lava. This part you have to you have to dive down. This you have to go down there. Kind of far. We'll survive. You guys see in the green? You survived. Ooh. I need a new water thing on my back because it's like raggedy. You guys see? The people is gonna die. Ooh, he made it. I don't know how he made it. Ooh, he has a good one on his back. See, a lot of people have it on their back. As you can see him right there. He has a good one. That was awesome. Next level. This is the lava one, so this is pretty hard. Let me zoom out. Oh my god, this one. This is gonna be tricky. Oh my god, it's coming already. Oh no. No. What are you supposed to do? Ooh, but I leveled up and I got 5 gems. Let me get on. What's to do? I was looking and I couldn't even see what we were supposed to do. That lava flew up quick. See how I told y'all when the lava comes, you're gonna burn easily. Guys, I'll be right back. New round is starting. This is the kind of hard one too. I get checked in this one. But you have to go through this little thing right here. It's pretty hard. But let's get this started. Let me get a thumbnail right there. Bam. But we gotta go before that lava comes. Oh, watch out for that big hole too. Oh, let's go. I gotta die no more. I hate to dying. So freaking fear. Everybody feels that. Come on. Oh my god, it's coming. Open the door. Open the door. And nobody wanted to open the door. I'm stupid. Don't leave. Here I go. New game. Let's go. Let me get a different thumbnail. That one's messed up. There. That's perfect thumbnail. My graphics look a little bit better. I got a new phone. We gotta go to this thing right here. What is going on? Oh, won't let me move no more. Oh my god. Here we go, finally. I was going to die. I keep running with this raggedy thing on my back. Somebody's gonna open the gate because I'm trying to get out of here. Open the gate. And if you don't see the birds like go across right there, you gotta just jump in the water and ladder right there. Oh god. Some people like risk their lives and just jump. I'm not finna jump. Jump. Psych. Oh, there you go. And I survived this one. We survived as in the green earth again. I'm not kind of a beast. I'm leveling up. You know. And this is supposed to happen at the end. Oh god, what up? Just at me. I'm gonna set him. That easy. And then we had a new one. This one's kinda, I already know this one could be. Oh no, it's not. I like this one. This one is one of my favorite ones. It's kinda tricky. I gotta zoom out for this one. There we go. So you guys can see what comes up next. And so I can see what comes up next. Cause you do gotta do a little bit of parkour. You gotta jump to other stuff like this. Right here. Hate these. Oh no! No! I'm about to die. No! How did I die? No! Oh my god. I think I should go buy something. I'm trying to watch when that thing is, but the game about to start because I know not want to be left. I'm looking for tanks. Please tell me that game is not about to start. I don't got enough for no tank. I'm about to hurry up. Oh, the game about to start a little bit, so I hurry up and get on again. Yep, let's start. Look, I got only 4. Right here, this may be a little bit easy, but oh god. I'm about to die now. I did something stupid. God, here I go. Oh god. What is coming up? I cannot see. I should have zoomed out. Oh god, I'm about to be bumped. About to die. Go this way, I think. I'm about to die now. I'm going the wrong way. I'm going the wrong way. I'm going the wrong way. My god. Go hurry because 3 people on when it goes to 0 game starts, or when the yellow line right there goes all the way down. Yep. A new round about to start. New round about to start. New round about to start. Sometimes when you late, when the yellow line is about to get to the end and you just get one, it may just leave you and reorder your own, but it's not. would rush to get those. I'm gonna try to get one. Oh my god, this is acting up. Oh, I don't gotta go down in the water anymore. And I survived this one. If you guys already saw this one. One of the easiest ones. I'm gonna stay right here. Oop. Okay, oop. I'm gonna wait till everything fills up. Now it won't let me back up. Help, 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 help. We survived. Let's survive. Okay. It was pretty fun. But guys, I have another video coming up after I get up playing this. And you guys might like the next video. It might be on Roblox. It might be outside. What is going on? There's hacking. It is hacking right now. This is fake. If this would have happened, everybody would have been dead easily. Oh, new round is starting. Oh my god, I hate this. You guys saw me die on the next one because somebody didn't just wanna. Oh, just died. I don't think I should risk this chance. Ooh, if nobody goes over there, then everybody's gonna die. I'm gonna risk it. Oh god, no, 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 I shouldn't risk it. I should've went. Everybody dies. Everybody dies. And new round is on, I think. They just gonna give me. Oh my gosh. I might go buy something. Slow motion. Let's go. After one more round, we're gonna have to stop the pause, stop the video. I'm gonna get working on my next video. Here's some pause video. Do I'm about to start that bunch. What is this? Oh, I hate this round up. So much. Hate it so much. You guys expect me to get up there now, huh? Turn it on. Oh god. Oh, no! This is one of the reasons why I hate this. Oh, no! Oh my god. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video, and this is the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and share my channel. And once we hit 30 subscribers, I'll do a 30 subscriber special. Okay guys, love you guys, bye.